मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
with profound pride and privilege that I stand before you today to deliver this address celebrating the conferment of the prestigious rank of Honorary Colonel and appointment as Colonel Commandant in the NCC upon our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Ramesh Chandra Deka, for the duration of his tenure. The honorary colonel rank is more than a title. It is a symbol of collaboration, trust, and shared vision. It recognizes the pivotal role that educational institutions play in nurturing the next generation of leaders. Vice Chancellors, as torchbearers of academia, have the unique ability to integrate the NCC's ethos into the academic framework, fostering an environment where discipline and values thrive alongside intellectual growth. By honoring them with this rank, we acknowledge their tireless efforts in promoting NCC activities and inspiring countless young minds to embrace the ideals of service and sacrifice. This initiative also underscores the importance of civil-military collaboration in a world that demands unity and collective action. The partnership between our educational institutions and the NCC serves as a powerful example of how civilian and military sectors can work hand in hand to strengthen the fabric of our nation. Together, we are building a future where our youth are not only equipped with knowledge but also imbued with the courage and conviction to contribute to national security and progress. On behalf of all NCC cadets, I extend our heartfelt congratulations to you, Professor Ramesh Chandra Deka, for this richly deserved honor. Your exemplary dedication, visionary leadership, and profound connection to the NCC, your commitment to nurturing discipline, patriotism, and leadership will undoubtedly elevate our NCC units to new heights, preparing us to serve our nation with pride and honor. We are confident that under your guidance, we will continue to thrive, seizing every opportunity to contribute to the NCC's legacy. Thank you for inspiring us to uphold the NCC's noble ideas. Professor Ramesh Chandra Deka is an accomplished Indian chemist and currently serves as the Vice Chancellor of Cotton University, Guwahati. He has an extensive academic and research background, holding positions such as Director of the Center of Multidisciplinary Research, Dean of the School of Sciences, Head of the Department of Chemical Sciences. Professor Deka has earned his Bachelor of Science degree in 1991 from Cotton College, followed by a Master of Science degree in 1994 from Guwahati University. He completed his Doctor of Philosophy degree in 1998 from National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, with postdoctoral research experience at University of Tokyo, Japan, and receiving the prestigious Humboldt Postdoctoral Fellowship for research at the Technical University of Munich, Germany. Professor Deka has a strong academic foundation. Since joining Tezpur University in 2001, he has been actively involved in teaching physical chemistry, quantum chemistry, and catalysis to PhD, PG, and UG students. Professor Deka has guided 22 PhD students and authored 300 research articles with an impressive H-index of 38 and citation count of over 6,000. His research contributions include the development and application of computer models to heterogeneous catalysis, enhancing the understanding of reaction mechanisms involving industrial catalysis. Professor Deka has engaged in foreign collaborations with esteemed institutions such as University College London, UK, Cambridge University, UK, and Tokyo University, Japan. Beyond his contributions to science, Professor Deka has explored the history of science in Northeast India, publishing validated reports on Nobel figures like Dr. Radhikaran Dekal-Phukan and Dr. John Berry White. In addition to his academic pursuits, Professor Deka is an admirer of Indian classical music and plays the violin. He has earned a Bachelor of Music in Violin in 2008 from Bhatkhandi University, Lucknow. His outstanding collaborations to the field have been recognized with various awards and honors, including being elected as a Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry in 2017, receiving the Alexander von Humboldt Fellowship in 2003, and winning the Bronze Medal from the Chemical Research Society of India in 2013, among others. Professor Dekka is an active member of social scientific societies, including the Royal Society of Chemistry, American Chemical Society, Chemical Research Society of India, Indian Chemical Society, Assam Science Society, Catalysis Society of India, Society of Chemical Education, and the Indian Science Congress Association. His diverse contributions and membership reflect a distinguished and multifaceted career in academia and research. Now, I request all the respective dignitaries to come and take their seats on the dais. Now, we would like to felicitate all the dignitaries on the dais.
NCC Club शुरू कर। NCC Club शुरू कर। NCC Club शुरू कर।
Now please join me in warmly welcoming Group Commander Brigadier A.K. Bora, Vishish Seva Medal, to kindly come forward for the pipping of our Honorable Vice Chancellor of Cotton University, Professor Ramesh Chandra Dekka, along with Colonel Ajay Kumar Sharma, CEO of 60 Assam Girls Battalion, and Wing Commander H. Upadhyay, Shaurya Chakra, Commanding Officer of 50 Assam Air Squadron NCC. we extend our heartfelt congratulations to Honorable Vice Chancellor on the proud occasion of the pipping ceremony.
माननीय अतिथिगण और हमारे समर्पित एनसीसी कैडेट्स, मैं एनसीसी की ओर से हमारे मुख्य अतिथि ग्रुप कमांडर ब्रिगेडियर अजीत कुमार बोरा विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया मंच पर पधारें और अपने प्रेरणादायक विचार साझा करें।
Respected Vice Chancellor Professor Ramesh Chandra Deka, the dignitaries present here, CO 60 Assam Girls Battalion NCC, 50 Assam Air Squadron NCC, faculty members of Cotton University, ladies and gentlemen and dear cadets. Good morning to you all. It is my proud privilege to stand before you today on this momentous occasion, the rank pipping ceremony of the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Cotton University, who has been conferred the rank of Honorary Colonel and appointed as Colonel Commandant in the National Cadet Corps by the Government of India. At the outset, I extend my heartiest congratulations to you, sir, on this prestigious recognition. This conferment is not just an honor bestowed upon an individual, but a matter of immense pride for the entire Cotton University, fraternity, the NCC Directorate Northeast Region, and the entire Northeast Region. It is especially noteworthy that you are the only Vice Chancellor in the NER to be conferred this honor in the year 2025. A testament to your vision, leadership, and commitment to youth development and nation building. NCC is the largest uniform youth organization in the world, and its strength lies in its ideals of discipline, character, and national service. By accepting the honorary rank and role of Colonel Commandant, you are now an integral part of this legacy, one that inspires lakhs of cadets to serve the nation with integrity and purpose. Your association will undoubtedly strengthen the bond between the Cotton University and NCC, and your leadership will continue to inspire the cadets towards academic excellence, civic responsibility, and dedicated service to the nation. I would also like to take this opportunity to commend 60 Assam Girls Battalion NCC, 50 Assam Air Squadron NCC, along with staff and cadets of Cotton University for the meticulous arrangements and the coordination done for today's event. In conclusion, I once again congratulate you, sir, and welcome you into the folds of NCC family, not only as an academician and administrator of great repute, but now also as a honorary colonel and colonel commandant, a role that symbolizes our shared commitment to grooming the future leaders of India. Thank you and Jai Hind.
NCC Club Shuru
महोदय, आपके प्रेरणादायक भाषण के लिए धन्यवाद। अब मैं सादर आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे माननीय वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर रमेश चंद्र डेका जी को, जो अपने प्रेरणादायक विचारों से हम सभी का मार्गदर्शन करेंगे। कृपया मंच पर पधारें और अपना अमूल्य उद्बोधन प्रदान करें।
नमस्कार। Respected Brigadier Ajit Kumar Bora, PSM Group Commander, NCC Group Headquarters, Guwahati. Respected Colonel Ajay Kumar Sharma, Commanding Officer, 60 Assam Girls Battalion, NCC, Guwahati. Respected Wing Commander Hube Upadhyay, SC Officer Commanding 50 Assam Air Squadron NCC Guwahati. Respected Registrar of Cotton University Dr. Orindam Garg, respected Director Student Welfare Dr. Prasanta Sharma, esteemed deans, heads of various departments and centers, faculty members, dedicated staff, my dear student friends, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to you all. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the National Cadet Corps, the Government of India, and in particular to Brigadier Ajit Kumar Bora, Colonel Ajay Kumar Sharma, Wing Commander Hube Upadhyay for bestowing upon me this distinguished honor. This distinction is not merely a personal honor, it is an institutional recognition, a proud moment not just for me, but for the entire Cotton University family. I accept this honor on behalf of our university, our faculty, our students, and the rich legacy that Cotton University represents. I would also like to sincerely acknowledge the dedication and support of the former and present caretaker officers of Cotton University, Dr. Omio Bora, Dr. Bhaskar Jyoti Deka, Dr. Himu Roy, Dr. Porismita Bordoloi, Dr. Jyotimala Dole, Ms. Porismita Soikia, as well as our Director Student Welfare, Dr. Prasanta Sharma. Your consistent effort in strengthening NCC activities on campus have been instrumental in building a vibrant, value-driven student community at Cotton University. The National Cadet Corps is not just a youth organization, it is a pillar of national development that instills in our young minds the spirit of nation building, discipline, selfless service, resilience, and a deep sense of patriotism. It fosters leadership not through words, but through action, not through instruction, but through example. At Cotton University, we have always taken great pride in hosting and nurturing NCC activities. Our students who have donned the uniform of the cadet are not only leaders in classroom, but are emerging leaders who uphold values that our society needs the most today, that integrity, courage, and unity. This peeping ceremony is not just symbolic. For me, it is a moment of profound connections with the values of the armed forces, honor, dignity, and service before self. It is a reminder that leadership in any field, be it academia, governance, or defense, is rooted in a deep commitment to serve others. As Vice Chancellor, I always believe that education must go beyond textbooks, and the NCC embodies this philosophy in the truest sense. The training, discipline, camaraderie, and national pride cultivated through NCC activities prepare our youth to face not only challenges of the job markets, but the greater responsibility of citizenship and nation building. Today, I reaffirm my commitment to supporting the NCC in every possible way. We will strive to strengthen the NCC unit in our campus, facilitate training, and encourage more students, especially young women, to join and benefit from this transformative experience that NCC offers. To our dear cadets, you are the torchbearer of a great legacy. Wear your uniform with pride, carry your responsibilities with dignity, and continue to be examples of excellence, discipline, and service. To the esteemed NCC officers present here, I express my gratitude for your dedicated mentorship and constant collaboration with the university. Your guidance and presence enriches our institution and shapes the moral fabric of our student community. To my fellow faculty members and colleagues, thank you for your continued support to educational model that is holistic, value-based, and firmly rooted in the ideals of national service. And to the Government of India and the Ministry of Defense, I offer my deepest thanks for this rare honor. It will always remain one of the proudest moments of my academic and personal journey. As I wear the insignia of the Honorary Colonel today, I do so not merely as an individual, but as the humble representative of an institution that has produced patriots, freedom fighters, scholars, scientists, public servants, and leaders over the past 125 years. Cotton University and the Indian Army share a common ethos, the unwavering commitment to service and nation. As we celebrate this symbolic moment today, let us recommit ourselves to nurturing a culture of excellence, discipline, and service within our university and beyond. May the spirit of the NCC continue to inspire our students to rise above self-interest and work towards a stronger, more resilient India. Let us work forward, shoulder to shoulder, with pride in our heart and purpose in our actions. Thank you and Jai Hind.
NCC Camp शुरू कर।
महोदय, आपके व्याख्यान के लिए धन्यवाद।
With that, we have come to the conclusion of this proud and memorable beeping ceremony. Today, we witness not just a tradition, but a moment of honor, recognition, and pride, symbolizing responsibility, dedication, and commitment. On behalf of the entire organizing team, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our dignitaries, respected officials, and every individual who made this event a grand success. Special thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Ramesh Chandra Deka, and our respected Group Commander, Brigadier Ajit Kumar Bora, Vishish Seva Medal, for gracing this occasion with their presence and making it truly meaningful. As we conclude, let us carry forward the spirit of discipline, leadership, and service that this ceremony stands for. Now, I request everyone to rise for the NCC song.
भारतीय हैं।
NCC Club शुरू कर।
जय हिंद।